Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AABB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day of this green line here, which represents 14 cents being tested, being broken. But and this is kind of almost a case of deja vu for those of you that watched the video from Wednesday. But again, to give credit, the price by the closing bell was actually able to close up above that level. But the problem here is that the price actually put in a new low relative to these lows right here. Now, does that mean that it's guaranteed to continue on down? No, there's no such thing as a guarantee. But it does imply that this 14-cent mark seems to be getting very, very shaky right now. But once again, really to reiterate, the price is still up above there. It has been doing a good job of holding strong. So it's still a level of support, no doubt about it. Although, like I said, it does seem to be looking a little shaky, but who knows? Maybe it's truly strong and this thing's going to produce some sort of big bounce to the upside, which brings about the next key talking point. And it's looking like this purple line here is now all of a sudden, and not really shockingly because that's, the very famous 50-period moving average. But now all of a sudden, this is being a very stubborn level. You can see it rejected the price down there. And then once again, the last 30 minutes, rejected the price once again. So while I'm not saying that that level can't be broken or anything like that, I'm just saying that before you really even focus on this level of resistance up here at 16.5 cents, that first key level that needs to be broken now is sitting right there at that 50-period moving average. So 50-period moving average, first step that needs to be broken, and then after that you can turn more of your attention up to that 16.5 cent mark. So those would be that main areas of resistance. But the thing I'm most curious about is, is this 14 going to continue to hold? Because it keeps getting broken above, but yes, it does keep bouncing back above it. But you got to think at one of these points, is it actually going to be able to get back above it? And only time will tell in that regard, but it's definitely going to be a very interesting close to the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.